Hello guys, how are you? So today I have brought an amazing thing for you guys. I know that everyone wants to become a superhero and I have a shortcut for that, the easiest way to do that. I'm talking about swapping your face with any superhero or any other character or any other thing you want. By using this tool, you can easily swap your face with someone else and of course with your favorite superheroes too. Type Remaker AI and after that open this link, face swap online free. This is an automatic AI tool. In this section you need to upload the image of any character from which you want your face to be swapped with. And in this section you are going to upload your image. And then you just have to click the swap button. It is an automatic tool which will detect your face and put your face on this image. So just click the swap button and see the results. If you like the video, click the like button and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos. Thank you.